Alright guys, we got this Mitsubishi Mirage. We're gonna do the front brakes. I'm gonna do it in 30 minutes, both sides. 21 millimeter for the wheel bolts. Picking it up from the subframe. We're gonna jack both sides up. Make sure you put jack stands under there. You don't want your shit falling on you. Safety first. This is how we can do both sides in like 30 minutes. And with both wheels in the air, you can just turn the wheels. It's winter time now, so we're not going to worry about the rotors until after. We're just going to do the pads. Alright, the caliper is 14. Driver's side, lift up. Now I'm just going to lift the caliper up. Make sure your pins are greased and they move in and out. I'm going to press this caliper back. This one, just pop it out with a flathead. The back one, just, oh no, the back one's stuck, look at that. These pads just pop out. Just pop the new one in, put a little bit of grease so it'll slide better. We're gonna press the piston in, but the cause of the brakes wearing out so fast on this thing is because they forced the pads in, they didn't go in smoothly. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you some advice. The little tabs on the new pads are super weak, so you gotta make sure they're in the little hole. And then you can add a little bit of RTV right here just to keep it in place, and then they won't move out of the way. If not, if you don't press the brake all the way, they shift forward and these little tabs break off. So just make sure it's in all the way. I'm literally just doing a dot. I'm going fucking crazy. So you gotta make sure it pops in. That. Make sure it's flush. Make sure the little tabs are in the holes.